Loser. What's your problem, man?
What?
Out of all the people in here, you gotta run into me.
Okay, man. It's on.
All right, all right. Holy crap, dude, are you okay?
No, man. I think I popped something too hard.
Dude, let's get you to the hospital, man.
It hurts, man.
Let's go.
It hurts.
Dude, it's okay. You're gonna be okay, man. Dude, it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay.
Die, man.